So many of you have been asking me about the stock market and what can you do with the actual stock market going in red right now. So my humble opinion, as I've always told you, is what is my humble opinion? If you've been on the channel, you know what I'm going to tell you. DCA, monthly, weekly, yearly, however you can. I just recommend you get an index fund, for instance, the Russell or the S&P, and you just daily actually stop watching it and you just do DCA every month. So as you can see, almost everything is going down. I've got here my actual gold, which as you already know, I've been using it lightly. You've got here Vanguard Total World Emerging. It's normal, the corrections in summer, but I personally think you just should shut the noise. Keep on DCAing. DCA means dollar cost averaging, meaning you buy daily no matter what the price, or monthly, weekly, whatever you see fit. I mean, if you've got 50 bucks, then maybe monthly. If you've got 2,000 bucks, maybe weekly. I'm not the one who's going to tell you how to invest in the stock market, but I'm going to tell you how I invest in the stock market. What do I do? Well, I personally just get the S&P, the Russell, and I also get an actual index fund of healthcare, and I just do every month when I get my paycheck, I do every actual month and DCA. I buy into the actual ETF or the index fund, and I just forget about it. I've been doing it since 2015, way before this channel opened, and guess what? I've seen minus 30, minus 40%. Nonetheless, I kept investing, and I think that's one of the best things I can tell you. Keep investing.